Welcome to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the 5 best paintball pistol, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Umarex T4E Training Paintball Pistol. Train smarter with the Umarex T4E Training Paintball Pistol in black. This 2-pound CO2-powered, CO2 not included, pistol features a realistic metal slide and barrel, shooting .43 caliber paintballs, powder, or rubber balls at 355 FPS. Its 8-round drop-free magazine with a realistic mag release, adjustable rear sight, and fixed front sight with yellow dots ensure precision. A Picatinny rail supports lights or lasers, and it fits duty holsters. Measuring 12.25-inch L x 2.75 WX8H, it's ideal for cost-effective training at under 9 cents per round. Compatible with spare magazines 229, 2103, 229, 2106, this pistol offers durable, realistic performance for paintball, airsoft, or tactical drills. Number 2. Umarex T4E TR50 Gen 2 Paintball Revolver. Experience true revolver action with the Umarex T4E TR50 Gen 2 Paintball Revolver in black. This .50 caliber, CO2, powered, CO2 not included, marker shoots paintballs or rubber balls at 380 FPS with a 7.5 jewel valve. Its lightweight polymer frame with a metal barrel and dual Picatinny rails supports accessories like lasers or red dot sights. The 6-round rotary magazine, with 2 included, compatible with Part 229-2113, ensures quick loading. A tool-less quick piercing CO2 system and pressure indicator enhance reliability. Ideal for mag-fed paintball or training, this revolver offers a textured grip and fiber optic sights for precision. Perfect for beginners or seasoned players. Number 3. Umarex T4E HDS Shotgun. Dominate the field with the Umarex T4E HDS Shotgun in black. This CO2-powered, CO2 not included, marker shoots .68 caliber paintballs or rubber balls, featuring a realistic double-barrel design. Measuring 5.75-inch L x 2.25 WX 20.25 H, its lightweight plastic frame and metal barrel ensure durability. The quick piercing CO2 chamber allows fast setup, while a Picatinny rail supports accessories like lights or lasers. With a 2-round capacity, it's perfect for paintball training or home defense simulations. The HDS delivers hard-hitting performance at up to 200 FPS, ideal for close-quarters scenarios. Trust Umarex's German-engineered quality for reliable, cost-effective action in paintball or tactical drills. Number 4. Umarex T4E TPM-1 Paintball Pistol. Unleash precision with the Umarex T4E TPM-1 Paintball Pistol in black. This 2.3-pound CO2 powered 12G cartridge not included pistol shoots .68 caliber paintballs, powder, or rubber balls. Measuring 2.36-inch L x 7.48 WX 14.45 H, it features an alloy steel barrel and metal frame for durability. The quick piercing CO2 chamber ensures easy setup, while 2 Picatinny rail sections allow mounting of reflex sights, lasers, or lights. With 2 5-round rotary magazines, compatible with Part 229-2139, it's ideal for paintball training or home defense drills. Delivering realistic handling and up to 300 FPS, this pistol offers reliable, cost-effective performance for enthusiasts and tactical trainers. Number 5. Umarex T4E TX68 Paintball Shotgun. Take charge with the Umarex T4E TX68 Paintball Shotgun in multicolor. This 6.5-pound CO2, powered, CO2 not included, marker shoots .68 caliber paintballs, rubber, or powder balls at 300 FPS. Its metal frame and barrel ensure durability, while the 16-round integrated magazine loads easily via a grip-housed ramp. Featuring a quick piercing CO2 button for fast deployment, it includes MLOK slots, Picatinny rails, and ambidextrous sling mounts for accessories. The removable flip-up adjustable rear sight and front sight enhance accuracy. Ideal for mag-fed paintball or training, this pump-action shotgun delivers realistic handling and power for intense scenarios.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.